Alright guys, so me, Jalila, Idris are gonna start the day. I'm trying to keep my voice low so he doesn't wake up. And we're probably gonna go to my mom's house today, hang out there, maybe eat some good food, who knows. And we'll keep you updated. Alright guys, so we came to Target just to get this bad boy. It's a nail furrha. It's a nail clipper for babies because Idris over here has been scratching us. Hasn't he, Jalila?
It hurts too.
And he's been like, I think he scratched his face a couple times or something. So we're gonna cut his nails today and let's see how he reacts. Okay guys, this is a dinosaur, Jalila. Not this. This is a rhino. This is a dinosaur. Right, Jalila?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Anyways, we're getting this cute cat for...
I don't know which color.
we seen this other day in the store, so we had to get the gift for Fifi and Kareem and baby Taj.
What color?
What color is cute?
They're both cute. I can't pick a color, so pick.
I would go with the light color.
This one?
Yeah.
Not the gray?
Actually, the gray is nice. Just picks. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Smoothie time. What'd you get? I got the green. Oh, you got the tropical garden? I got the acai one. Oh, it's spilling, Jalila. Am I good?
Better than mine. Oh, that's actually good.
Really? That is actually. So someone right now is taking his daily nap on my chest. So he's been sitting here for about, I want to say 1 hour now. And I'm too scared to move up in case he wakes up. So I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in a pickle.
His middle finger.
He what? No, he doesn't. Oh, he does. Baba, fix your finger. Oh, this is his finger. Yes, I did.
The weather not normal in here.
What?
It's freaking...
Dude, it's 80 degrees in here, Jalila. Oh my god.
What do you mean 80 degrees?
It says 80 on the thermometer.
Who put that? Did anyone turn on heat in here? Seriously?
The heat's on.
Say wallah, the heat
Wallah.
on. Who was playing with it? Why you have to rub me? That's why I'm sweating inside the house. Are you joking?
Wallah, the heat was on. Oh.
Hey.
Hi, Idris.
MashaAllah, صاير حزق.
Right?
من قبل, yeah. Huh?
He missed you. Idris kept saying he missed you.
In the little.
Hi, Baba. Say hi, Tata.
Yeah.
There's your gift. Baba.
Okay, thank you, Idris. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, Idris. It up on me. Jenna Haram, she came visit me, but I was sleeping.
I know.
Yeah, so. Hey, Lisa. Hey. Hey.
You okay now, Baba?
Did you miss Tata? You miss Tata?
So, Mom, how was your trip to Louisiana, to Michigan, and to Toronto?
Miss everyone.
So, Mom, how was your trip to? All right. Sorry, I had a call. So, what were you saying? You said you missed us all?
I miss everyone, yeah. It was a good trip. Nice trip. Good break, not gonna lie.
You ready to go on a trip with me next month? Why?
Let me tell you something, actually. Going with kids is kind of different because you have to wait for their nap. You have to wait to every 5 minutes you have to stop to change them. And you know how is my daughter بدلع بحالهم.
Yeah.
And every 5 minutes you have to stop because we have to go get the food for the. So it's too many, pause.
Yeah.
Because of the kids. Well, that great. They are great mamas. I'm proud of them. But like it's kind of like it takes time. Like I love them. I'm not saying that. It's just like you have to know. It's not like a normal, like a keep going application. It's like there's a pause every 5 minutes. Pause,
Yeah.
pause.
This is the cutest thing ever. Kai and Idris is having a stare down. Idris, you like the cat? Yeah? You like? You like it, Baba? Mama, why does my son look like he's 20 trapped in a baby's body?
Wallahi, give him a time, he's gonna be the cutest.
Huh?
Give him a little bit of time, he's gonna be the cutest.
I'm not saying he's ugly. I'm just saying he's a man. He looks like his element.
But yeah, he has a little man face.
Little man face.
But yeah, give him a time. He's gonna be the cutest time.
That's funny. High contrast book, Baba, so you understand the book. It means it's in black and white. Good to see you, teddy bear. How's it going, soft blankie? You ready for bedtime, aren't you, Baba? Look at that blankie. Are you talking, Baba? Ni hao, nightlight. Ni hao. Look at the nightlight. So cute, Baba. What's up, favorite book? Look at that. The bedtime story to sleep. Oh. Hi there, comfy pillow. Look at the comfy pillow. Bonjour, cozy bed. Hamakallah, alhamdulillah. Look at your crib, Baba. You see it? It's your bed. Buenos noches, Luna. He loves the high contrast books. Good night, stars. Look at Baba. Last page. Hello, bedtime. Night, night, mama. Bye, bye, dada. Good night to all. That's you, Idris.